Canada is actively exploring a strategic partnership with Ukraine focused on joint defense manufacturing, signaling a deeper commitment to supporting Kyiv's military capabilities amid ongoing conflict. David McGuinty, Canada's Minister of National Defence, confirmed that both the Department of National Defence and the Canadian Armed Forces are seriously evaluating possibilities for collaboration. One key area of interest is Ukraine's advancements in drone technologies, an area McGuinty says Canada is monitoring very closely. Among the proposals on the table is a cooperative model similar to Denmark's, wherein Canadian funds would finance the production of military equipment on Ukrainian soil. This approach would allow Canadian defense support to flow directly into Ukraine's domestic industry, enhancing both efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Additionally, plans are being considered to establish joint defense enterprises with manufacturing bases in both Ukraine and Canada. McGuinty emphasized the potential economic upside for Canadian companies, calling it a win-win scenario worthy of careful analysis. Canada's growing interest in defense collaboration is not limited to the government. Canadian defense firms are showing increased enthusiasm for Ukraine partnerships. Ambassador Natalka Kmak noted that Canadian arms manufacturers are actively engaging with Ukrainian counterparts at events like CanSEC, Canada's premier defense industry expo. Ukrainian representatives reportedly arrived with targeted agendas, aiming to forge ties with specific firms and acquire technologies critical to their war effort. Meanwhile, Canada's support extends to specific programs aimed at countering Russian drone threats. President Volodymyr Zelensky previously revealed that Canada, alongside Germany, agreed to fund Ukraine's production of interceptor drones, particularly for neutralizing Russian-launched Shahid drones. These drones have been a persistent threat across Ukrainian territory. In a complementary effort, Canadian defense support is also aiding in the modernization of Ukrainian helicopters to boost their drone interception capabilities, according to General Alexander Syrsky, the Commander-in-Chief of Ukraine's armed forces. All of this is taking place against the backdrop of a larger military assistance initiative. Earlier this June, Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney pledged a new $2 billion Canadian military aid package to Ukraine. Part of this financial commitment is earmarked specifically to bolster Ukraine's domestic arms production. As the war continues, Canada appears poised not just to donate weapons, but to embed itself deeper into Ukraine's defense infrastructure, an investment in both security and industrial opportunity.